Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing to you a great and rich recipe for your hair. This hair recipe is going to help you grow your hair thick, healthy, long, and it's really affordable. You don't need to do too much. Just keep on watching. Here is clove, a whole clove. You can get this from your grocery shop, and it's really easy to find. So I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon of clove, and it's really easy to make. All you need, you just need to pay attention, and you are not going to like miss out of it if you do it correctly. You need a cup of water, and I'm going to put it in my cup, in my glass cup, and I'm going to put 1.5 cup of clove, tablespoon of clove in there, and I'm going to let it sit for some while. So let me talk about clove a little bit. Clove can stimulate hair growth due to the fact that it can boost blood circulation to your scalp and enrich it with oxygen and a variety of nutrients, including vitamin A and C, calcium and iron. Not only will this help you to grow long, thicker hair, but it will work to prevent excessive shedding. Okay, guys, it's really easy to use. All you just have to do, put your gloves, you want to put it in the stove, you can boil it like 5 minutes and you are done. All we need is just the water. We need this water because you are going to spray it on your hair, and you follow up with your oil. You can leave it in your hair, you can also wash it out. So if you want a better result, you can leave it in your hair and just use it to style your hair. But don't forget to use oil to seal it up. Okay, you can use this every day. You can use before you wash your hair. You can use it, like spray it and cover it like for 1 hour, or you want to leave it on your hair, you can also leave it. You can also wash your hair the next day. It's really easy to use. Let's talk about a little bit of what cloves can do to our hair. Cloves promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. It helps to solve a problem of hair thinning. So if you have thinning hair, this is for you. It keeps the scalp fresh and reduces scalp infection. If you have made it to this time and you are still watching, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, support your sis, and I really appreciate you all. Thank you all. Love you all. Bye.